This is the Congress of the Philippines. It is to whom the legislative power is vested by the Constitution. It consists of the Senate and the House of Representatives. The legislative power, as we all know, is the power to make laws, alter, and repeal them. Also included is the power to confirm or reject presidential appointments, to declare existence of a state of war, among others. In this video, I will focus on the Senate. Section 2 of Article 6 of the 1987 Constitution says that the Senate shall be composed of 24 senators. But are you wondering why we are electing only 12 senators every 3 years? The answer is in the Constitution itself, particularly in the transitory provisions or Article 18, whose Section 1 states, the first election of members of the Congress under the Constitution shall be held on the second Monday of May of 1987. Section 2 of the same transitory provisions also says, the senators elected shall serve until noon of June 30, 1992. Now, the senators elected here in 1992, the first 12 senators who got the highest number of votes shall serve for 6 years, and the remaining 12, the second 12, shall serve for 3 years. Under this setup, the first 12 elected in May 1992 were retained until June 30, 1998 here, while the remaining half, the senators who landed in 13 to 24th spot will serve only until 1995. In turn, the senators who were elected in 1995 will stay or stayed for the next 6 years until year 2001, while those elected here in 1998 stayed for year 2004. So you will see now, every 3 years, there is an election being held to elect the 12 senators. And it started in 1995, 1998, 2001, 2004, and so on and so forth. Added information. The qualifications for senator. The person applying for a senator shall be a natural-born citizen of the Philippines. He must be at least 35 years of age on the day of the election. He must be able to read and write, a registered voter, and a resident of the Philippines for not less than 2 years immediately preceding the day of the election. The term of office is 6 years. The commencement of the term of office is on the 30th day of June next following their election. The number of terms allowed. They are allowed for not more than 2 consecutive terms. The manner of election is that they are elected at large by the qualified voters of the Philippines as may be provided by law. So that's it. I hope you will share the information to your friends. Thank you.